Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic. How to activate your NetSpend card without a social security number in 2025. If you're an international user, a student, or just someone without an SSN, this guide is tailored for you. It's all about making things simple and straightforward, so let's jump right in. First things first, why is this even necessary? NetSpend, a popular prepaid debit card service, typically requires an SSN for verification to prevent fraud. But with updates in 2025, there are alternative methods that make activation easier without it. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Always ensure you're using legitimate options to avoid any account issues. Step 1. Download the latest NetSpend app from your device's App Store. Make sure it's the 2025 version for the newest features and verification options. Step 2. Sign up or log into your account using your email and a strong password. This is your gateway to the activation process. Step 3. Navigate to the activation section in the app or on the website. Look for an alternative verification option, which allows you to bypass the SSN requirement. Step 4. Provide an alternative form of ID, like an ITIN, passport, or driver's license. You'll need to upload clear scans or photos of these documents for review. Step 5. Complete any additional verification steps, such as answering security questions or confirming your identity via email or text. This helps NetSpend secure your account. Step 6. Once verified, your card should activate within minutes. If you hit any snags, reach out to NetSpend's customer support. They're there to help. Remember, this method works best if you're eligible under NetSpend's policies, so double-check their website for the latest rules. Activating your card opens up a world of convenient spending without the hassle. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.